Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove indicators on MetaTrader 5. If your MetaTrader 5 chart looks cluttered because of too many indicators, you can easily remove the unnecessary ones, and here's how. Firstly, right-click anywhere on the chart, then select the indicator list from the menu. Now to delete the indicator in the list, select the indicator you want to remove between all the indicators you have on the chart. Now all you have to do is simply click on delete. And that's it, as simple as that. The chosen indicator will be removed from your MT5 chart, making it cleaner and easier to read. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.